What's going on, guys? For today's video we have a Supreme Week 17, I believe, live cop. So last week's live cop didn't really do that great, probably the worst live cop I've ever done performance wise, and unfortunately we didn't even hit the 20 like goal, but you already know I'm still giving you guys the live cop this week. Maybe it was because I didn't buy anything, so hopefully this week we're going to be buying something. But if you want to see me do a live cop next week, make sure you hit the like button, and let's try to get this video to 20 likes as well so I can do another live cop next week. I'm going to be pretty busy next week because it's 4th of July weekend, so I'm actually not even sure if I'm going to be able to make one. But if you get this to 20 likes, I will try my best to make that happen. And stick around to the end of this video if you want to hear a little bit more about the giveaway that ends today. So anyways, let's just get right into this. We got about 4 minutes until the drop. Honestly, there's a lot of stuff dropping. If you watched my video last week, I took a huge L on the stapler, and I did say in there that really the only other thing I wanted this season was the plastic bags. And what do you know, the plastic bags are dropping today. I'm scared, guys. I'm gonna be honest. I'm nervous. It's anything multi-quantity this season has just been an L for me. Like, it's been so hard to cop anything multi-quantity. I couldn't even get the Oreos. I didn't get the lawn chair, obviously. What else? I feel like there was some, oh yeah, the ponchos. I could have got the ponchos, I feel like, but they went really fast just for being the ponchos. Anything that's multi-quantity just been going so fast. So I don't know if I'm gonna get that, but I am hoping I'm able to get these plastic bags. Same with the coffin keychain. I want that so bad. And there's a couple things I'm going for a resale. I might go for the water shorts. I'm not really sure yet, but then I want to get the beanie and the boonie hat. I'm probably not gonna get that because I checked sellout times in the UK, and I think that went in like 4.5 seconds, something like that. So we're looking at some pretty wild sellout times for everyone saying this week's gonna be a brick week. Anyways, we got about 2 minutes left until the drop. Honestly, guys, like I said, I'm a little bit nervous if I'm being honest. Like, there's just so much stuff dropping that I'm trying to get, and like, I don't know if I should single cart the plastic bags or if I should try to get the plastic bags with the keychain. In all honesty, I want the plastic bags so bad, but I don't want to pay shipping for, I don't want to just get the plastic bag. Like, that's just insane to me that we probably have to single cart the plastic bags. But who knows, I could be completely wrong and they could just sit on site. But I kind of feel like they're gonna sell. I kind of feel like it's hyped. It's like the most hyped item of the week. But yeah, let me just get to the screen recording so we can get started. We got about like a minute, or no, we got about like a little less than 2 minutes until the drop. All right, the screen recorder is on. I thought I was having some technical difficulties on the camera, but it looks like we're all good. I don't know, guys. I think my first cart might be the plastic bags with the keychain, because I really want that keychain. But I don't know, guys. I'm hoping maybe we could get a free shipping cart in here, but I doubt it. Oh, there's a stapler. I'm still so mad about that. But all right, guys, we got, what do we got? We got about like 35 seconds left until the drop, and I am pretty nervous. I don't really know what I'm gonna do. I think I'm just gonna be in the moment, and then we'll see what we're gonna do. I think I'll just see how much the plastic bags really are, and if they really are multi-quantity. I'm assuming they are multi-quantity, but with my luck, they might not be, and I might just screw everything up. Because if they're like $6 and I have to pay shipping, and it's like $35 after tax and shipping for one plastic bag, I'm gonna be pretty upset. But all right, we got like 9 seconds left. Let's go. I'm just gonna load new this time, because like I said, I don't even know what I'm going for, guys. Ooh, already, and the new went away. Are we already lagging? Okay, we're in. Alright, so you can, they're $8. Oh wow, whoa, what was that? I don't know if you guys saw that, but it like, I don't even know how to explain that. That kind of just tripped me up. Oh guys, oh wait, did something just sell out? I couldn't see it in time. I think it said something sold out. Dang, why did I click that so fast? Did something sell out? Did something sell out? I couldn't. Oh man, I just screwed myself. I wanted this tote too, but it is $98. I literally think I just. Oh man, that just like straight tweaked me up. And this already sold out. Are you kidding me right now? Are you kidding? Due to high track. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. What a L. Alright, come on. I don't even know what just happened. I wish you didn't click so fast. I don't know what that said. Wow. Also that beanie though. Are you kidding me? I don't even know if I talked about that earlier today. I didn't think that was gonna sell out. Yeah, all the boonies are sold out. That bag thing's still in stock. Keychain is still a go. Plastic bags are still in stock, but I don't think I'm gonna be able to process this. Come on. Come on. Well, basically everything I want is gone, so the shirt's still, oh yeah, I completely forgot about the water shorts too, but you know me, I'm kind of hurt now. Oh, the water shorts are sold out, okay. Dude, wow. I seen someone say though that this could be a possibility because you have too many, oh, the plastic bags are sold out, let's go. Can I at least get the keychain? Come on, let me just get the keychain, please. I can't believe I'm single carding a keychain right now, and now the processing is not even going. Sick, god dang, almost $40. For this keychain. Please let me hit this keychain. I wanted this so bad. Why am I just taking so many L's this season now? I was off to a really rocky start, then we were doing kind of decent, And then it's just been L City. Please let me get this keychain. Let me get something. Please do not be high traffic. I don't even know what color I got this keychain in either. Hopefully it's red, but at this point I don't really care if I can just get it. Bro, please, please. It's not looking too promising. Dang, are you kidding me right now? Supreme, you're hurting my feelings. And I also can't believe these beanies sold so fast. The bag sold out. I kind of wanted that. I wish I could like somehow. Oh, keychain sold out. Man, I can't even believe this is just becoming heartbreaking. I think the other thing's just frozen. So we're trying this again. Oh, the tote sold out, sick. Still frozen over here. Supreme, please fix your checkout. This is ridiculous. Please, please. There's just no way. Yeah. Why can I not cop anything anymore on this website? This isn't crazy. What am I on? Like on 3 or 4 weeks straight now? Sold out. Sick, guys, sick. And this is just frozen here. I can't believe that. It's a L. Literally, as you see, why must you do this to me, Supreme? Why? Well, another L of a week, guys. I'm sorry. I don't know what it is. How are these glasses sold out? I literally cannot cop on this website anymore, and it's still frozen on here. Like, I'm getting so sick of paying resell. Like, this is so crazy. What is this new high traffic thing? Please get rid of that. It seems to be every single week. Like, this keychain is a brick and I couldn't even get it. I couldn't even get a keychain. Are you kidding me? I even tried to single cart the keychain and I couldn't get the keychain. Like, I'm so angry right now, like you have no idea. It started a few weeks ago, so I'm spiraling downhill just in how many L's I've been taking on this website. So now I gotta pay resale for this again. This is getting absolutely ridiculous. I'm sorry for my frustration and my anger right now. I'm just so mad. I always forget to end the screen recording. I gotta do this. Okay, got that said. So yeah, like I was saying, this is just so ridiculous to me. Enough of me being negative about the website. I just want to say one last thing before I go. I did mention last week that me and Joey were doing a giveaway. Today is actually the last day for the giveaway. I'm gonna try my best to upload this video as fast as I can. So by the time you're seeing it, you might still be able to enter if you want to. All you have to do is follow me on Instagram and then follow Joe on Instagram as well. If you follow both of us and like the picture on both of our pages, you will be entered in to win our giveaway. It's not really anything crazy, like I said. It's just a few little Supreme accessories, but like the free gifts and like some stickers and things like that. But it's our first giveaway, so we wanted to see if anyone was even interested. So if you have already entered into that giveaway, thank you so much, and I do appreciate that. We plan on doing more in the future. So that's gonna do it for this video. I am big upset, so upset. I literally can't believe I couldn't get a keychain. But anyways, it's been another L for me. I hope you guys still enjoyed this video. Like I said, let's try to get this video to 20 likes so I can try to give you guys another live cop next week. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. I really do appreciate it. Please hit the bell so you can be notified anytime I upload a new video. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm out.